Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Corley and today I bring you this extremely dramatic makeup look. Like, this is not for the faint of heart. This is not for those of you who don't like purple, blue, or pink, because it's definitely not for the faint of heart. I mean, look at this. So I'm gonna break it down what I did. We did a blue little crease situation, then we cut the lid in a half circle, and we did a purple ombre to like dark colors. I don't know, you guys, I don't even know if you can see it well on camera. I might just zoom you in a little, but and I did a pale lilac liner, which I don't even know if you can see. I don't even know if it's cute because I don't do liner. But yeah, I went in with a mauve lip so it could kind of match the mauve tones, but it's the mauve nude lip, you know. If you want to see how to achieve this look, then please, by all means, keep on watching. I'll be waiting. Go ahead. Okay, so I started with my Maybelline Superstay Better Skin Concealer, and I just put it all over my eyelids, and I spread it out with this little brush. Remember, you don't set your primer if you want your colors to be vibrant. I'm taking this matte, like really light kind of sky blue, and I'm gonna pack it on with this little fluffy kind of packing brush, and I'm gonna pack it all around my crease. And as you can see, it looks kind of scary and a little intimidating. It looks like it's not gonna blend, but then I'm going in with my big fluffy brush, taking a little bit more of the shadow and just blending it. It's gonna take some time, but just be patient, do it, and it's gonna turn out extremely good. Because mixed in with my skin tone, the first blue has kind of a green little tint at the edges where I blended. I'm gonna take this more cool tone but like deeper blue kind of a situation, just put it in my crease and blend it all out in my crease, again using the very known by you guys fluffy brush. Then, like I said in the intro, I'm gonna cut my lid into a half circle. I'm gonna take this pink, the lighter purple, the darker purple, and the darker blue, and I'm gonna create an ombre on this half circle crease. So starting with the light pink, the lighter purple, the darker purple, and the darker blue. Off camera, I'm gonna take my liner by NYX and these lashes by Kiss. I'm gonna put them on and I will be right back. So for face, I'm gonna take my Maybelline Master Prime Primer. It's the like no colored one, and I'm just gonna apply it all over my face to smooth out every single pore. It's more of a hydrating primer, so it's gonna make sure you don't have many dry patches because winter is rough. For foundation, I'll be mixing the LA Girl one and the Covergirl Ready Set Gorgeous foundations. I'll have my shades in the description box below, but I'm just gonna apply it all over my face, and you know, like it's the same old thing, just apply it. For concealer, I'll be taking the LA Pro Conceal Concealer. I'm going to put it under my eyes, all over the high points of my face, and then I'm going to go ahead and blend it out. Under my eyes, I'm going to set them with a loose translucent powder, which is the NYX one. And yeah, just, you know, we want to avoid creasing. Make sure nothing moves. Also, as you can see, I'm going from the outside to the inside, so like it really sets the creases so they don't crease, you know what I mean? For an all-over face powder, I'll be using my Maybelline Better Skin Powder in the shade 50 Natural Beige, just putting it all over my face. And I'm also going to put it a little on my neck, under my chin, just to make sure that my face matches my neck and there's not like a big disconnect. To blush, we're going to use the Tarte Amazonian Clay Blush, sorry, and I'm just going to apply it all over my cheeks. It's more of a neutral blush and it's a little more nude, so it's not going to, you know, take the show away from the eyes. We really want the eyes to be the main focus of this look. So yeah, for highlighter, I'll be taking the Becca Shimmering Skin Perfector in the shade Opal, putting it all over the high points of my face, cheeks, nose, cupid's bow, chin, forehead. I'll put it under my brow bone and on my inner corners as well. To finally finish off this look, I'm taking my Sephora Creamless Stain in the shade 13 and I'm just going to apply it all over my lips. It has a certain mauve tone, so it's going to match the eye look well without taking anything away from it. This is it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this makeup tutorial right here. It kind of took relatively a long time to do because it was a little hard, but it's definitely not in the hardest of makeup looks. I feel like everyone can do this. Actually, every makeup look I do, I feel like everyone can do this. You only need a little motivation, a little practice, sometimes a little bit of focus, and then you can do it. So if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up or comment down below other video suggestions, things you'd like to see me do. I'm kind of running out of ideas, not in the makeup tutorial basis, but I'm kind of running out of ideas in other things. So if you want, you know, you can just make sure to leave some ideas so I can have things in mind for you guys. But yeah, if you like me, my personality, or the content I put up on YouTube, then feel totally free to subscribe to this channel. We would absolutely love for you to join us. If you join us, you will not regret it, I promise. Like, girl, I provide you with really good makeup tutorials, makeup related videos. If you want, I can do videos that are not about makeup either. Just ask me and I'll do them. But yeah, so don't forget to also follow me on all of my social media. So I have Instagram, Snapchat, and a Twitter. I will put my Snapchat snap code right here so you guys can screenshot. I feel like everyone now on Twitter, it's the time where everyone is actually getting super mad at Snapchat for messing up the whole like layout of the things. So Snapchat, get yourself together. Like every time I have to like do one of those, social media doesn't even care about the people on it anymore. They just care about the ads and the money. And I understand it. Like, go get your money like the way you want to do it, you know. But please think about your customers as well. So yeah, that's all I'm gonna say. Again, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I truly do appreciate it. You guys don't know how much. We are so close to 60 subscribers, so please subscribe today. And yeah, so again, thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye bye. Hey, blue makeup. You know what? My brothers wanted me to do blue makeup and I did it. Oh, it looks so good, you guys. I swear to God, it was hot as hell, but it looks so good. Oh my God. Don't you wish your makeup looked good like this? Hey. I need to stop. Bye.